When people think of Jamaican exports, what often comes to mind are music, coffee, or bauxite. But Jamaica tech companies are innovating, expanding, and turning heads on the global stage. At Expo Jamaica 2025, several of these forward-thinking companies stepped into the spotlight. Let's take a closer look.
We do have businesses in other countries, and so because of that, being here to be a part of the Export Max conversation to let them know that Jamaica is ready and poised to be able to compete on a global scale.
The Export Max program is an initiative by JAMPRO, JBDC, and the JMEA to support Jamaican exporters and export-ready MSMEs.
We are the first and only locally owned company that has just achieved 3 prestigious distinctions through Microsoft. We won 3 designations, and so that's a big deal, and we're perhaps one of only few in the English-speaking Caribbean.
That kind of success isn't just personal. It puts Jamaica on the global tech map, and Resolve IT is not alone.
We're partnered with Jamaica Stock Exchange, we're partnered with Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange. In both instances, we brought online trading to both markets and made it accessible to a wider audience. We have also partnered in the past with NHT, VM and Sagicor to help them to improve their operations via the use of some order management systems to process trades and so forth.
From banking to housing, Jamaican IT firms are building digital infrastructure that supports the Caribbean economy.
Ultimately, you can't truly help the people if you don't understand the people, and what we do is centered around understanding people. So understanding their opinions, their feelings, their behaviors, and this helps the government at large to say, okay, if these are the people within our country, then this is how we can help them. That's where we bridge that gap.
This company uses data and behavioral science to help government better understand the people it serves, from opinions and feelings to habits and needs. Initiatives like Expo Jamaica provide a valuable platform for these companies to connect with global buyers. But make no mistake, these companies are growing because they're building tools that matter, right here at home and beyond.